Welcome to the mesmerizing world of McDonald's food. Did you ever wonder what goes on behind the scenes of the world's most iconic fast food chain? In this video, we'll be taking an exclusive look at the intricate process of how McDonald's food is made. From the juicy beef patty to the crispy French fries, the beloved chicken McNuggets to the delectable sauces and beverages, you'll learn everything there is to know about the production of this global food phenomenon. Join us on a journey to discover the secrets behind the delicious taste of McDonald's food. The beef patty is the cornerstone of the McDonald's burger, and it all starts with the selection of the beef. McDonald's has a rigorous selection process and works with a group of trusted suppliers to ensure that the beef is of the highest quality. Once the beef arrives at the processing plant, it is inspected and trimmed to remove any excess fat, gristle, or bones. The beef is then sent through a grinder to create the desired texture. McDonald's uses a precise blend of beef cuts, including chuck, round, and sirloin, to create the perfect balance of flavor and texture. The ground beef is mixed with salt, pepper, and other seasonings to enhance the flavor. Next comes the forming of the patty. McDonald's uses a unique process called portioning and forming to ensure that each patty is consistent in size and thickness. The ground beef mixture is placed into a machine that compresses and shapes the patty. The machine uses pressure and heat to create the perfect patty, ensuring that it cooks evenly and retains its juicy texture. Once the patties are formed, they are cooked on a grill using a unique process called continuous grilling. The grill is heated to a high temperature, and the patties are seared on each side for a specific amount of time. This technique helps to lock in the flavor and juices, giving the burger that perfect taste. The cooked patties are then placed into a warming cabinet, which keeps them at the perfect temperature and texture until they are ready to be served. McDonald's takes great care to ensure the safety and quality of their beef patties. Each patty is cooked to a specific temperature to kill any harmful bacteria, and every batch is tested to ensure that it meets McDonald's strict quality standards. McDonald's fries are famous for their crispy exterior and fluffy interior, but how are they made? The first step in making the perfect fry is selecting the right potato. McDonald's uses a specific variety of potato that is high in starch and low in sugar, which gives the fries their unique texture and taste. The potatoes are washed, peeled, and cut into the familiar shoestring shape. After the potatoes are cut, they are rinsed in cold water to remove excess starch. This is important because excess starch can cause the fries to stick together during the frying process. The fries are then blanched in hot oil for a few minutes to partially cook them. This process helps to give the fries their crispy texture. After blanching, the fries are immediately frozen and transported to McDonald's restaurants. When it's time to cook the fries, they are fried in hot oil until they are crispy and golden brown. McDonald's uses a unique frying technique that involves cooking the fries in a blend of oils. This gives the fries their distinctive flavor and crispy texture. The fries are then salted and served hot. But McDonald's doesn't stop there. They take great care to ensure that their fries are always fresh and hot. To achieve this, they cook the fries in small batches and hold them in a warming cabinet for a limited amount of time. This ensures that every fry is served hot and crispy. In recent years, McDonald's has made some changes to their fries to make them even better. They have removed artificial preservatives and added more whole grains to the batter, which gives the fries a unique taste and texture. They have also introduced new seasonings, such as garlic and herb, to give their fries even more flavor. So there you have it, the story behind the iconic McDonald's fry. From the selection of the potato to the unique frying technique, every step of the process is designed to give us that perfect crispy bite. And with the recent changes to the recipe, McDonald's fries are better than ever. Chicken McNuggets have been a staple on the McDonald's menu for decades, but how are they made? It all starts with the selection of the chicken. McDonald's sources their chicken from trusted suppliers and ensures that it meets their strict quality standards. The chicken is then trimmed and cut into small pieces, which are then sent through a grinder to create a uniform texture. Once the chicken is ground, it's mixed with a blend of seasonings and binders to create the McNugget mixture. This mixture is then shaped into the familiar nugget shape using a special machine. The McNuggets are then partially cooked using a process called par-frying. This involves cooking the nuggets for a short period of time in hot oil. The partially cooked nuggets are then frozen and sent to McDonald's restaurants. When it's time to serve the McNuggets, they are cooked again in hot oil until they are crispy and golden brown. McDonald's uses a unique cooking technique that involves cooking the nuggets in a blend of oils to give them their distinctive flavor. The McNuggets are then served hot with a variety of dipping sauces. But what about the infamous pink slime controversy? In 2010, a photo of a pink gooey substance that was allegedly used in the production of McNuggets went viral. However, McDonald's denied that they used the substance in their chicken nuggets and stated that their McNuggets were made with 100% chicken breast meat. In recent years, McDonald's has made changes to their McNuggets to make them even better. They have removed artificial preservatives and added a batter that includes more whole grains, which gives the McNuggets a unique taste and texture. They have also introduced new dipping sauces, such as sweet chili and spicy buffalo, to give their McNuggets even more flavor. So there you have it, the story behind the iconic Chicken McNugget. From the selection of the chicken to the unique cooking process, every step of the process is designed to give us that perfect, crispy bite. And with the recent changes to the recipe, McDonald's McNuggets are better than ever. McDonald's is famous for its variety of dipping sauces, which add even more flavor to their already delicious menu items. The most popular sauces include ketchup, mustard, barbecue, and sweet and sour. But how are these sauces made? Each sauce has its unique ingredients and preparation process. For example, the ketchup sauce is made using tomatoes, vinegar, sugar, and a blend of spices. The ingredients are mixed together and cooked over low heat until the sauce thickens. Mustard sauce is made using mustard seeds, vinegar, water, and a variety of spices. The mixture is blended together and allowed to sit for several hours to allow the flavors to develop. Barbecue sauce is made using a combination of tomato sauce, molasses, vinegar, and spices. The ingredients are mixed together and cooked over low heat until the sauce thickens. Sweet and sour sauce is made using a blend of sugar, vinegar, cornstarch, and spices. The ingredients are mixed together and cooked over low heat until the sauce thickens. But McDonald's doesn't stop there. They also offer unique dipping sauces that are exclusive to their menu. These include the tangy honey mustard sauce, the spicy buffalo sauce, and the creamy ranch sauce. Each sauce is made using a unique blend of ingredients and spices to give it its distinctive flavor. The sauces are served in individual packets or in small containers that can be shared with friends and family. McDonald's also offers a variety of other condiments, such as mayonnaise, salt, pepper, and hot sauce, to complement their menu items. McDonald's offers a wide variety of beverages to complement their menu items. From soft drinks to coffee, McDonald's has something for everyone. But how are these beverages made? The soft drinks offered at McDonald's are made using a fountain machine that dispenses carbonated water and syrup. The syrup is made using a unique blend of flavors and sweeteners, which gives the soft drinks their distinctive taste. The carbonated water and syrup are mixed together and dispensed into a cup, giving us that fizzy, refreshing beverage. McDonald's also offers a variety of coffee drinks, including drip coffee, lattes, and cappuccinos. The coffee beans used to make the coffee are a unique blend that is specially roasted to give it its smooth and rich flavor. The coffee is brewed using state-of-the-art equipment to ensure that every cup is consistent in taste and quality. In addition to soft drinks and coffee, McDonald's offers a variety of other beverages, including tea, milkshakes, and smoothies. The tea is made using high-quality tea leaves and is available in a variety of flavors, including iced tea. The milkshakes and smoothies are made using real fruit and ice cream, giving them a delicious and creamy texture. McDonald's also offers a variety of bottled drinks, including water, juice, and sports drinks. These drinks are made using high-quality ingredients and are perfect for on the go. In recent years, McDonald's has made some changes to their beverage offerings to make them even better. They have introduced new flavors, such as caramel macchiato and pumpkin spice latte, to their coffee menu. They have also added new smoothie flavors, such as strawberry banana and mango pineapple, to their menu.